a super cello sound. And we're just going to take a simple scale of G, and we're going to start by adding the salt, which is the weight of the bow. I'm going to start with a little amount. And adding more as I go up. You can hear there's too much salt here already. So to counterbalance the salt, I'm going to put in some pepper. I'm going to use some more bow speed. Now, depending on where I am, if I'm too close to the bridge, that weight, the salt, is going to crack the sound. So I'm going to go a bit closer to the bridge, and this is the paprika coming in. Combined with the salt and pepper, the weight and the bow speed gives quite a strident cello sound. And then I'm going to add in the idea of the curry, which is how much bow hair to use. So I'm going to use little at the top and see if I can do a crescendo all the way up. And of course, part of our sound is vibrato, but I'm going to talk about that in the next video. Make sure to follow along for more bite-sized cello hacks and let me know which ones you've tried at home.